Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to invest in the stock market, but didn't know where to start, didn't have much money, or just found it all overwhelming? Well, here's the good news. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro or have thousands of euros to begin. In this video, we're going to break down ETF investing in the simplest way possible. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research or consult a certified advisor before making any financial decisions. With that said, let's jump in. What is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. But don't let the name scare you. Here's what it really means. Imagine a shopping basket. Inside that basket, there are apples, oranges, bananas, and maybe a few pineapples. Each fruit represents a different company's stock. When you buy an ETF, you're basically buying the entire basket, not just one fruit. So instead of buying one stock like Apple or Tesla, you get exposure to dozens or even hundreds of companies in a single move. How does it work? An ETF is like a prepackaged bundle of investments, often stocks or bonds, that you can buy and sell on the stock market just like a regular stock. For example, let's say you buy one share of the VOO ETF. That single share gives you tiny slices of 500 of the biggest US companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and more. So with just one click, you're instantly invested in the whole market. Pretty cool, right? Are you enjoying the content? Hit subscribe. It's completely free, and you'll get easy-to-follow tips on investing, saving money, and building wealth delivered straight to you. No noise, just real value, at no cost. Let's grow smarter together. Let's look at why ETFs are such a popular choice. Diversification. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. With ETFs, you spread your risk. If one company goes down, others in the fund may go up, helping to balance things out. Most ETFs have very low fees. Some cost as little as 0.03% per year. That's just 3 cents per 100 euros invested. Compare that to mutual funds, which can cost 1% or more annually. Liquidity. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges. That means you can buy or sell them instantly, anytime the market is open, unlike mutual funds that only trade once a day. Transparency. You can see exactly what's inside your ETF, no mystery. Beginner friendly. You don't need to study companies or follow the news every day. With ETFs, you can invest and forget, letting the market work for you over time. Let's compare ETFs versus mutual funds versus individual stocks. Here's a quick comparison. Mutual funds, managed by people, higher fees, only trade once per day. Individual stocks, high risk, potential for high reward, but if the company fails, you lose money. ETFs, the best of both worlds, diversified, low cost, and easy to trade. ETFs are like the index card version of investing, simple, powerful, and efficient. Let's look at a few real-world examples. VOO tracks the S&P 500 index 500 largest US companies. QQQ focuses on big tech companies like Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon. SCHD built for dividends and income. VTI covers the entire US stock market. And yes, there are also ETFs for Europe, Asia, energy, AI, crypto, gold, you name it. Buying an ETF is as easy as shopping online. Open a brokerage account like eToro, DeGiro, or Interactive Brokers. Search for the ETF symbol like VOO or QQQ. Choose how many shares you want. Click buy. That's it, you've invested. If all the catches you hear, and you want to get more insight into the topic, then here are some great book suggestions. The ETF book, All You Need to Know About Exchange Traded Funds by Richard A. Ferri. A thorough yet clear resource covering ETF mechanics, structure, pros, cons, and strategy. Offers model portfolios, index strategy frameworks, and tax considerations. Ideal for those who want a deeper grasp of how ETFs work and how to use them strategically. Check the affiliate links in description. Next, Investing in ETFs for Dummies by Russell Wild. The classic Dummies approach, simple, friendly, and updated with modern ETF trends, explains how to research, compare, and choose ETFs with clear pros, cons, practical for step-by-step investors who prefer paced learning and confidence building. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LeBoeuf. While not exclusively about ETFs, this book heavily focuses on index investing, which is most efficiently done through ETFs. Written in simple, conversational language, it's ideal for beginners who want to understand why ETFs are often the smartest path. Offers real-life examples, portfolio blueprints, and strong personal finance context. So, to sum it up, ETFs are a simple, affordable, and powerful way to start investing. They're perfect for long-term investors, beginners, and even those with small budgets. If you want to invest smart, but don't want to pick individual stocks, ETFs might just be your new best friend. If this helped you understand ETF investing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy-to-understand videos about money, investing, and financial freedom, and drop a comment. Are you already investing in ETFs or just getting started? Let's talk about it.